you. Can I do it like when you do makeup?
No, it's not allowed.
Oh.
Not allowed. My manager says don't do.
Oh, really?
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I just. So she tells me that I can't film, but I continue to keep recording. Just because I've been trying to get into the salon for months. I'm not even joking. I've been trying to get in there for months, but they just never ever pick up their phone. So I finally went in person, and I just had to. Like I just had to. And I'm sure you guys want to see also. So yeah. Oh, and don't worry, the shot of the camera gets better in a minute.
Close your eyes. Close. Sorry. I have to clean.
So I'm no skincare specialist, but she literally covered my face in lotion, then goes and gets this water bottle and soaks my face in it, and then just wipes it all off with the tissue paper. Oh my gosh, like what was the point?
No, babe.
Okay. And then she puts more lotion again on my face. Oh my gosh.
कंसीलर दे दो उसका कलर का जो है
हाँ 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 डोंट वेरी बाकी रखो मैंने रखा था ये ले
पिंकी पिंकी एक है ना वो दे दो
ये वाला है
ये
का और चाहिए
इसको डार्क सर्कल है इधर
Did she just say that I have dark circles? I mean, I know I have dark circles, but like, that was just so rude. Like, did she think I wouldn't understand that part?
आंटी को बता दो मैं हेल्प कर रही हूँ
ठीक नहीं पता क्या बताऊँ कस्टमर नहीं है
हाँ
पिंक है एक कप दे दो नाइस तो झुकती नहीं है ना चेयर
नहीं
झुकती नहीं है ना
इनको थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर होने दीजिए
कैसे ऊपर होगा
little bit up there a little bit up yeah you sit straight the head is देखो कौन
हेलो
You want to put face back, sir? You and I go? No, face.
Someone please teach this woman how to bake. Like, with the minimal of foundation she already put on my face, there's basically nothing on my face, so she's just baking my skin, essentially. Like, there's like nothing really on my skin to even bake.
Is skin nice?
No, a lot of spots.
It's okay.
I don't know what type of powder this is, but it just kind of looks like a normal compact powder. So she's now putting more powder on top of the baking powder. So yeah, that makes sense.
I can go a little bit up. I'm so sorry. My chair is maybe something happened now.
Was it?
You feel easy?
Oh.
No. I feel not easy. I know. Can you go to back? Sorry, go to back. Yeah. No, it's okay.
This is the second compact powder she's using, and she's just putting it on my nose now. So maybe it's a nose powder. I do have a sweaty nose, to be fair, so maybe it looks sweaty. Just started.
Yeah. But your
What did she do to my nose?
face is very nice. Photogenic.
Oh,
I
thank
hope.
you.
Please show me your picture. Is photogenic your face?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's photogenic.
No, it's not. It's not finished.
Nice.
Right? It's not finished yet.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Your face.
I literally had to get my water bottle out because it had already been an hour and she just finished the foundation.
How long?
1 hour?
1 hour.
It's okay?
Yeah, just because I have to do my hair when I get home.
Okay, how can you do? Curl? You can do in curl?
I'm just gonna brush it. I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna brush.
Only brush.
Yeah. I'm just gonna brush my hair because I didn't brush my hair as I was rushing to come here.
Yeah. Come.
And then I need to eat before as well.
Hello. Here. Yeah? Okay. It's awkward. I can't do it.
This one is problematic for you. I can take it this one.
Which one?
This one.
This one?
Relax? No, I think no.
Okay.
You can try this one. Now it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. You feel relaxed or not? I think you don't feel relaxed.
No, I'm okay. Yeah, I wasn't okay. I literally had these two metal pods digging into the back of my neck from where she lifted the headrest. But I just felt bad for her because I didn't know if she was uncomfortable bending her back. So yeah, I literally just stayed contortioned in that position. So yeah.
मेरी माँ थोड़ा इधर आ जा रमा मिल गया
Those brushes are literally a pet peeve of mine. I'm so sorry, but if you are a makeup artist, you should not be having this type of makeup brush. It's not even a makeup brush. You can't even blend with that.
See you later, auntie. Yeah, Rakhi, I'm coming. What am I going to do? I should have. Looking nice.
It's good. Oh wow. That's so good.
Yeah. You look like model.
Thank you.
That's why I say your photogenic face. I like it. The skin also nice.
Thank you.
Picture, your picture.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. Ugh, those metal pods. Okay.
So now your hand is painful, no? Too much?
No, it's not about the pain, because I have painkillers, from hospital. So everything is
So
fine.
what is
Dee?
the doctor? Is 1 month?
Hello, how are you?
I'm
Good.
fine. How are you?
How's your kid? Good.
Yeah, everything's fine.
दीदी एक eyelashes देना मुझे बाद में. कौन सा वाला अच्छा है देना? Heavy वाला, हाँ?
Yeah,
They cost me. And
ये अच्छा है?
inside
inside the bun.
long one है
One natural hair, one.
क्योंकि ना आईलैशेस वो अच्छा पड़ती है.
Thank you.
thank you
See you next week.
yes you too take care look after you properly
Yes, thank you. My girls help me, so it's much
Don't very
easier.
much look after properly. Don't move too much hand.
Exactly,
When you
yeah.
see the 115 days, your hand is okay.
Yeah, we are praying for you,
Yeah. I pray for you.
Thank you.
Everyone.
everyone,
Thank you very much.
because you are a nice lady. I know.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you next
Take
time.
care.
Take care.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
अल्लाह का शुक्र है किशोर भाई कोई अच्छे से चिकन फ्राइड राइस ही खिला दें यार मुझे आप.
बेसिकली टीना मैम लगाती है ज्यादा.
हैं?
टीना मैम लगाती है. हाँ हाँ.
आंटी बोल रहे थे टीना दी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं.
नहीं आएगी आज.
I don't know.
पूछो आएगी तो, नहीं तो मैं ट्राई करूंगी. मैं क्या करूं.
क्या बोलूं?
क्या तो थोड़ा हेल्प करेगी आईलैशेस की, नहीं तो मैं करूंगी.
राखी दी वो फोन नहीं उठा रहे हैं. ये देखें.
बहुत नाइस.
तो बहुत अच्छा लड़की है, इसलिए उसका मेकअप भी नाइस होगा.
Your eyes is very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
सो
I
गया.
like your eyes makeup.
Yeah.
Sometimes do for me, okay?
Yes. She's my daughter. She's my mom. She look after my mom. Look like
She's surprised, really.
your mom.
Younger mom.
Look like maybe sisters.
The face is similar.
आता है.
कौन सा ग्लू चाहिए?
थोड़ा काजल दे दो नीचे के लिए. अच्छा सा काजल.
ओके. अच्छा वाला. जो ना वो किया था.
ये वाला अच्छा है.
नाइट में पार्टी है तो
हाँ.
वो आई थिंक
थोड़ा हेवी.
ये हैवी वन है. नेचुरल तो रखते हैं.
क्यों.
आपको दी ने कहा कि राखी तुम चले जाओगी.
ना तुम तेरे पास करेगी. नो ऑप्शन, बिकॉज आई डोंट कम दिसंबर. आई एम गोइंग हॉलीडे. तुम इधर है, तुम्हारे पास आएगी वो. अभी मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ. मैं अवॉइड करती हूँ आईब्रोज को. जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज.
ये ले
पहले मेजरमेंट लेती हूँ. ठीक है. और
हाँ
और?
नहीं फुली लगा दे, कट मत करना.
चलो जी उसका ना.
उसका बैक साइड
इसके साथ करें.
Just closer. This glue is strong. And dry, then you open please.
One minute. इधर कैसे बोले?
हाँ देखो. हाँ.
ऐसे.
Oh, no.
Yes. The burning. Yeah.
Little bit.
Just wait. Need to dry because this glue is strong. It doesn't open.
Which glue is it?
This one is our glue.
Okay. It's for eyes.
Yeah, it's for us.
Don't worry, use only just eyes glue.
Yeah.
This for our extension eyelashes,
Okay.
but it's stay longer.
So it will come off tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can try. But it's come
Okay,
back. It's better. This one is short one. Cotton नट दे दो मुझे.
Wet कर दूँ या ऐसे?
ऐसे.
It's fine.
Little bit burning.
Yeah.
Just open slowly. हवा दे दो उसको. Oh, 1 minute. Just close. How are you? श्रीदेवी का जैसा. Okay. Slowly, gently. हवा करो.
Hang on. Can I have threading, please? Yeah, take a seat, madam. Accept card? Yeah, dear.
Now you okay?
It's better, yeah.
Yeah, dear. So
Yeah.
10
It's
minutes,
still a
5
bit
minutes
burning,
is
but
gone.
yeah.
It's gone. But this glue is no good. It's
Yeah.
come out.
Yeah.
You go outside, you come out.
Yeah, I know, yeah. I never use that glue.
Open slowly. Check this one. These eyelashes you check. Please.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, it looks so good. Thank you.
The eyelash is very nice.
Yeah.
Look
Yeah,
at
they
it
look so good.
Just close, huh? Don't open. Yes.
It's burning.
Bunny, just close. Up close. I give you something. Now you okay?
Yeah.
Now little bit. Come this here. Little bit. Try this eyes for see for mirror. Then slowly is gone. Take it easy. I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Better now, yeah.
4-5 minutes then.
Yeah.
Strongest one. Open. Give you here. So take it this one. In case glue coming, you can put it glue.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
One second.
Finished?
Yeah, finish.
Thank you so much. I literally ran to the shop next door, not to buy tampons, even though I'm in the tampon aisle, but to buy some face wipes because there was no way I was going back home like this, okay? Alright guys, well, I'm about to take the train. I'm about to take my makeup off because I cannot get on the tube like this. Yeah, already people are already staring at me, and it's not because I'm filming. I just literally just took my camera out right now, so they're obviously not staring at me because I'm filming, but because of my beautiful makeup. Shouldn't even like clean out the fallout here. Like, dude, I'm literally so embarrassed right now. I like have to take my makeup off before I get on that tube because there's just no way I can do this. This is so embarrassing. Okay, I feel like without the lips, it's okay. It's obviously not great. I wouldn't do this makeup myself, but I feel like it's fine. Alright, I'm gonna get on the next train. See you guys later. Alright guys, I'm back home. I know I said I was going to take my makeup off, but it was going to be too much hassle and I don't want to miss my train, so I just took off the lipstick because it was giving like Russian hooker vibes, which I don't mind, but just like not for today. I don't want to look like a Russian hooker on the tube especially, so I just took that off. Literally, she put the strongest glue, this is actually her words, and like they've literally lifted, so all that burning from that glue, whatever it was like not even worth it. And like, I don't know if you guys saw, because obviously I couldn't film, she gave me like the box of the lashes, and like they usually come with like this glue, like let me show you, like they usually come with this smaller glue. And she said, oh yeah, like I'm not gonna bother putting this glue on you because like it won't stay. And like, look, this, her burning glue doesn't even stay. So like, I literally suffered for nothing. I paid £50 for this, by the way. So like, I can see where she was trying to go with it. Like I completely let her do her own thing, but it's just like so cakey. She took 2 hours, okay, to do this look. It was already an hour into the makeup and she just did she just finished doing my foundation. It looked like it was like her first day or something. I'm sure it probably wasn't, but it looked like it was like her first day on the job. Because she didn't even like know where things were, like she kept asking like whoever, like the owner or something, I don't know if it was the owner, but like another colleague of hers to like help her like to find stuff. So I'm not really sure if it just looked like it was her first day, okay? I don't know if the camera is picking this up or not, but you can like see like the lines are like so harsh, like they're just like, I don't have this much texture on my face, and like the amount of like product she put on my face just like makes it look so bad. Like I literally look almost like a clown, seriously. Like I like cry or something. Like I literally look like a clown. Dude. Alright, well, I am gonna go and take this off because I just can't do this anymore. Like, look at me. This is not fair. I deserve to have a good experience. I paid £50 for this, dude. Alright guys, well, that is enough torture for me today. I'm about to literally cry. Like, I just literally cannot even look at myself anymore. Like, I just literally like want to cry right now. Oh. I'm gonna go now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!